Hey guys, so I have these paper plates here, and so I got a big stack. This is a 125 pack, and so I'm gonna rip this open and show you them. I've been needing some little plates that I can use when people come over and stuff. So this is a nice little dinner plate. Not a dinner plate, sorry, a nice little snack plate. And so, you know, I have these little donuts here. I'm just gonna cut one up and show you guys, you know, it's a nice little, actually here, let's say I want this whole one. So there we go. I got my little plate and I got my donut on here. These are nice. I mean, they're strong enough so that they'll hold your food, but also you can pack it up and fold it and throw it away super easily, and it won't take up much space. And it's recyclable, which is really cool too. But I like this. It's a little tiny snack plate, and it's perfect. So I like it, and I'm giving it a thumbs up because these are perfect little snack plates. And now I got a whole bunch of them. So sweet. I give it a thumbs up.